What's going on? It's Roger. So here is an Elgrand van that I sold. This is really good condition compared to my other one, with the door opening up, how it moves, and like I said, there's paint chips, here and there, which is way better than mine. And also the wheels aren't busted like mine, and then have like a bunch of crayon marks, which I plan to redo anyway, so that's the reason why I sold this one. But this is a really good condition one. Yeah, this is an Elgrand in China, 1998. Really cool van. Anyways, just giving an update on the stuff that I sold. So this is one of the things I sold. So yeah. Anyways, yep. First generation Elgrand, I believe, the E50